Yeah. Right. So how to connect to the client network? Once you connect to the client network, then only will start connecting to the database, and you can create a tables in the client database. Okay. So for that here, we have multiple options in real time. One of the option is the RDP, remote to desktop. I think now you guys are using the Barbara machine. So Babura machine is one of the remote desktop. So you are connecting to Babura remote desktop and you are practicing Oracle. Let's say creating the tables or packages, whatever it may be. So finally, you are connecting to the some network through the remote desktop. So real example is the Babura machine. I think most of the guys are using the remote desktop. So in real time here, maybe we can use the Citrix. It's a kind of the same RDP. So with that Citrix also, you can connect to the client network. There you can do the development. Then one more is the VPN, virtual private network. So most of the guys are using the a VPN. Yeah. So with the VPN, we are going to connect to the client network. So once we connect to the VPN, that means client network, then you can start working on the development. That means your tools will work. Okay, so we'll connect to the client database. So three options we have in real time here. One is called as the remote desktop. The second one is called as the Citrix. The third one is the VPN. So who will let you know once you join the company? You don't know which one will using by the client. So how do you know as a developer? మీకు ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది మీ క్లయింట్ ఏది యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాడని? You are new to that project. You don't know. Your client is using which one, whether it's a remote desktop or a Citrix or VPN. How do you get that information?
While giving KT, they will give all the details regarding
Yes,
this.
exactly. So suppose they forget to give the KT, then you have to ping who? You have to
Team
ping your
lead.
team
Team
lead.
lead.
Only the solution here. Always in the teams, no need to drop a mail. Simply go to Teams and ping hi, okay, na? Then please, okay, na, let me know the okay, na, how to connect to the client network. Then you will say VPN. Then share the VPN username and password. Otherwise, create a new VPN username and password. They will take care. Okay. So immediately, yeah, without any delay, you guys please ping your team lead and you have to request. Those guys will provide the information. Just I'm putting in mute here. Vasavi, some boy. So with this, so you guys will get the right informations. Then you can connect to the client network and you can start the development. So always the right person is the team lead, or may you can check with your manager also. No problem. Yeah. Or may you can check with your colleagues also. So sometimes your team lead is not available or your manager is not available. May you can check with your colleagues also. Okay. So first we have to install the softwares. Once you get a laptop, so once you install the softwares, you want to connect to the database. Again, I have to install any one of the softwares like a remote desktop or a Citrix or VPN. So once I get a proper connectivity, then I can connect it to my client network. Once I connect it to my client network, then these tools will work. Yeah. Otherwise, these tools don't work, doesn't work. So as a developer, first we have to get the laptop, then you have to install the softwares, then you have to go with the connectivity. Maybe it's a VPN or Citrix or remote desktop. Then we are ready to start working on the development. That's a packages or forms or reports, whatever it may be. Okay. Any queries here? So sometimes, sir, it will take some time to create a new VPN with your name. So manager will share his username and password. సో అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి కనెక్ట్ కావాలన్నా వద్దది దర్ ఇస్ అర్జెంట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ యా ఓకేనా సమ్ ఓకేనా న్యూ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆర్ మేబీ సమ్ బగ్ కేమ్ సో ఓకేనా ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ 1 week or 2 weeks it will take that much time to get a new VPN username and password. So your manager will share his username and password. So can I use those credentials? Hmm. Can I use or cannot? మనం యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా?
Ignores the rule to share passwords.
That's why I'm asking you guys. Okay. So most of that's a violation, but there's a mandatory. Okay, na? So you have to get your manager VPN username and password and start working on the development. So even it is a violation, so manager will ask you to start, yeah, use okay, na, his credentials. That's a common in real time. But okay, na, your IT or HR guys will say, don't use okay, na, yeah, another user. Don't reveal okay, na, your password to your colleagues. But we are violating the process. That's a common in the software industry. Okay, now we'll go to. So I connected to my database. So I will show you how to connect to remote desktop. So forget about Citrix and a VPN. A VPN I have in my machine also. So this is the VPN. Right now I'm using. Now I'm working for the Onto US client. So for that we are using the VPN. It's one of the global product. It's one of the VPN. Maybe Citrix is there. Multiple third parties are there. Yeah, it's a one of the most of the clients are using the Citrix. Sorry, Cisco. Okay. So now I'm using the global product. And one more is the mm, one more is the VPN name is this. I'm working for Genpact client. This is the 40 client. Exactly, I don't know. Yeah. So you have to check with your manager. So those guys will okay, na, give the VPN name. Whether the client is using the Cisco or Global Protect or 40 client, you have to download the software from the Google and you have to install and enter your username and password. And then you will connect it to the client network. Exactly, you don't know at the time whether the client is using the Cisco or Global Protect or 40 client, and number of VPNs are there in the market. Okay, so you have to get it from your team leads or maybe your manager also. Now, yeah. So I done everything here. I install the softwares and I connected to my client network. Now I want to okay, na, check my database version. Yesterday I asked this question. Uh, so how to get the database version? So now I'm connecting to remote desktop. I'm okay, na, start button. Then enter the R remote desktop connection. Then this is my okay, na, computer address. This given by Babu Rao. Yeah. So maybe you guys are also using the same. Okay, na? Click on the my username is the apps user 11. Then click on the connect button. Yes. So now I'm okay, na, connect, jumping into the remote desktop. Here you could see all the tools. You could see the SQL developer. Everything is there. Where it is SQL developer? SQL developer. This one, SQL developer, and Putty also there. Then WinSAP is there, Forms builder, reports builder, even workflow builder also there. All the tools are available here. So simply you can no need to install here. You guys simply you can open and you can connect to the network. Already it's a we are in the client network. You can start the development. So now I'm opening the SQL developer. It's one of the tool or one of the console to connect it to the database. I'm opening the SQL developer. Swati, are you there? Swati. Swati,
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Okay. So now tell me how to go open a new session. Just I opened the SQL developer. I want to connect or I want to open a session. So tell me navigation, Swati.
Schemas.
Super. Here, na? Okay, schemas. Go to SQL worksheet. Click here. Then select your instance name. Like suppose I want to connect it to this. Better here, I will remove all the dummy ones. You guys will get a confused. Mhm. Delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. EBS user, that's wrong. Delete. Yes. So now I have access to only one database. Once maybe you can call it as don't call it a schema database or server. Now I'm connecting to this here. Click on the in the top under the tools. There is a SQL worksheet is there. Click on that drop down button. You have right now only one. Just click on that wiz. Once you click on that wiz, now you go open the session. That means you connected to the database. Now I'm connecting to my client database. So I want to know which database version currently I'm working. So Oracle has given one SQL query. Select a star from VDollar database. This is one of the data dictionary table name here. So forget about that. VDollar database. Sorry, VDollar version. VDollar version. Right. So here you will get the information. So currently I'm working 11C. In the 11C again, 11.1.0.70. May you can see in real time 12C also. So, but in the Bob Raw machines, right now it is in the 11C database. So now tell me here. So how do you know currently you're working on which database version? By checking the table, VDollar version. With that, it's one of the Oracle table. Okay. So here I'm writing how to get database version. A database version. So the answer is
Select star
select
from $V version.
select the star from a VDollar version.
Version.
What is the VDollar version? Is it a procedure or package or function or table? What is the VDollar version? From class తర్వాత ఏముంటుంది always? No. From class తర్వాత always blindly you can say.
Table name.
Table, only the table name. VDollar version is one of the Oracle table. That's it, yeah. Oh, sorry, this is my database. You can ignore that. Okay, now here. Okay, so this is the Oracle database version is the currently we are using the 11C. So and then how to get ERP version? That means Oracle application version. Database is a different. Oracle applications nothing but ERP is the different. So I want to know the ERP version. ERP version, nothing but Oracle apps. Oracle apps version. So that I will let you know one more table. So here I write one more statement. Select the star from FND underscore product underscore groups. Very important table for you guys. Then control enter. Just no need to select the statement here. I think most of the guys are selecting and here they're clicking on the run statement. Don't use that. Place anywhere in this line, anywhere. But at last to give the semicolon. That's a terminator. Then a control enter. You can use the control enter keyword. So to run the statement or to execute a statement. Okay. Here, so go little right here. Release underscore now. So it's at 12.1.3. The latest in the market is the 12.2.14. All the clients are implementing in the 12.2.4, but we are learning on the 12.1.3. You won't see much difference. Rare, you won't identify that. Yeah, both are same. 12.1.3 and 12.2.4, but clients are using the 12.2.4. Okay. So now tell me here, how to get ERP version? By writing the statement, select the star from FND underscore product underscore groups. This is the table name. So particularly sometimes they will ask the column name. So column name is release underscore name. You have to remember here. So whatever the topic I'm saying multiple times, that's very important. Okay. So they will ask here how to get a database version. By using the VDollar version table, you will get it. How to get a Oracle applications versions. That's now one of the table, FND product groups table. So right now, we are using the 12.1.3. But in real time, the clients are using the 12.2.14. That is the latest ERP in market. 12.2.14 is the latest. So with these two tables, now we are going to get the right informations. We can call it as the data dictionary table names. Data dictionary tables means What is the meaning of the data dictionary tables? Data dictionary tables. Suppose I am asking one query. How do you know whether the employee table is there or not in the database?
Select star from EMP.
Super.
Other place
Select.
description.
Listen. Select the star from. That's correct. That's okay. We'll go one by one. All the options. You are saying simply select the star from EMP. Is that right or wrong? By means now I'm connecting to WIS database. In the WIS database, just assume there is a listen carefully. As you are the technical guys. There is a pivot schema. There is a AP schema. Two schemas are there. Example, Swati created table in the EMP schema and Roja connected to AP schema. So Roja can access the EMP table or not? Same database, not in the different database. Swati and
Yes,
Roja
we
connected
can.
to same database. Swati created table in the pivot schema. Roja now connected to AP schema. Roja can access the employee table or not?
We can't access.
See, she can't. The reason is Swati didn't give any grants to AP schema. So Roja, even connected to AP schema, she unable to access the employee table. Even the table is there. So in that case, this statement will throw the error. Table or view does not exist. Is that right? Okay. Now tell me, how do you know whether the table is there or not? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి మీరు. As a developer,
See,
so you said select star from EMP, that is wrong. Then how you will say
DSC.
This DS.
DESC EMP table. So when it will work? If you have the grant,
Table is there, then
no. Table is there and you have the grant also required. Then only this will work. So if the same command will execute by the Swati, yeah, she can, no problem. What about Roja? It will fail. The best option. How do you know the table is there or not? In which schema it is there?
From database and then the schema.
Tell me. Select star from all underscore tables. ఇన్నారు ఎప్పుడన్నా ఇది all underscore tables where table underscore name equal to EMP. Now I'm executing this. Control enter. This will let you know in which schema the table created and okay na. So you could say here EMP table that is there in the Scott schema, EMP table that is there in the app schema also. Wherever it is there, it will okay na, give all the records. Yeah. So very important here for developers. You have to use all underscore tables where table name equal to this one. Okay. Otherwise, you have one more option is there. But I don't want to care about the tables. I want to cross check. Maybe EMP is I don't know whether it's a table or a procedure or package. At that time, the best data dictionary table is select star from all underscore objects. All underscore objects where object underscore name equal to EMP. So with this command, you will come to know whether it's a table or package or procedure. Select star from all underscore objects. What is the error? Quoted string not properly. Okay, just to put the semi comma. Now I came to know owner. This is required here. The exact object name, then the object type, whether it's a table or procedure or package or trigger or view or synonym or sequence or index, whatever it may be, whatever the object type. So the best one is the all underscore objects. If you know particularly this is the table, then prefer to go with the all underscore tables. These tables are already given by the Oracle. We can call it as the data dictionary table names. So now tell me how to search a table, how to search object. How to search database objects. So what is your option? How you can search it? Select a star from all underscore objects where object underscore name equal to, so whatever it may be. Okay, na? Whatever the object name. అది సీక్వెన్స్ కావచ్చు, ప్యాకేజ్ కావచ్చు, ప్రొసీజర్ కావచ్చు, ట్రిగ్గర్ కావచ్చు, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి. ఐ వాంట్ టు లుక్ ఇన్ టు మై హోల్ డేటాబేస్. That's called as the all underscore objects. May you can go with the one more options I have told. Select the star from all underscore tables where table underscore name equal to em. If it's a particularly table, better go with the all underscore tables. If I don't know the exact database object type, then you can look into the all underscore objects. That's the best table given by the Oracle. So day one here, I think we are good. Any queries till now? I don't want to take much time. Any queries here? Please, tomorrow I will ask queries before start my session. Okay, then only then I will go to the next topic. So please, I will share this document with you guys. So please go through the document. And if you have any queries, ping in the WhatsApp. Don't call me. Ping in the WhatsApp. I will respond. So already we have group is there, WhatsApp group. So if you have any queries, ping in the group. Yeah, I will respond immediately. Okay, today we'll wind up the session. So tomorrow we'll go, okay, na, little depth here. Okay, na? Tomorrow we'll discuss what is the ERP. Then that models also, okay, na? I will explain that.